Folks, my name is Officer Bryson. Can you all quiet down so we can talk about this? Listen to me, folks. You can't gather in this area. There are other areas for you to demonstrate. You just can't do it here. Listen, you're blocking access to the building. You're creating a safety hazard. You're breaking the law. Leave the area now.
Save our jobs. Stop managing greed. Save our jobs. Stop managing greed. Save our jobs. Stop managing greed.
610. I'm at the south entrance. The demonstrators refuse to disperse. I'm going to need some assistance down here.
Our jobs. Stop management greed. Save our jobs. Stop management greed. Save our jobs. Stop management greed. Save our jobs.
All right,
Stop
listen up,
management
folks.
greed.
Listen, hey,
Save
folks,
our
listen up.
jobs. Stop
Look.
management greed. Save our jobs.
I'm
Stop
Special Agent
management
Dave
greed.
Hale. Can y'all
Save
quiet
our
down so we can
jobs.
talk about this? You know,
Save
quiet, ma'am. Listen, I don't like the idea of the plant closing any more than you do, and you all certainly have a right to voice your opinion in this matter. But this is not the place to do it. You're going to have to take your signs and move along. You're creating a hazard here.
Not a chance. We're not going anywhere until we get some answers here. Yeah.
Listen, I understand how you feel. I know that times are tough, but there are better ways to deal with this. Right now, what you're doing is you're breaking the law, and if you don't leave now, I'm going to have to arrest you.
What do you know about tough times? You sitting upstairs in your cozy little office in your three-piece suits. I poured my heart and soul into this plant. For 17 years, I've worked myself to death for their crummy wages, and now they're closing up shop, moving out of the country. What about us? Yeah. What about our families? What about our retirement? Yeah. What about
I know that you're upset by this, but there are better ways to deal with this problem. You can take it to the courts, or you can hold legal demonstrations in authorized areas. But you cannot demonstrate here. It's illegal, and it's creating a hazard to other people.
Don't listen to this guy, Harry. What the hell do you know anyway? We didn't come down here to talk to you, mister. We came down here to talk to somebody else. Yeah. All our lives we've been doing things the right way.
Yeah.
And what did it get? Unemployment. Well, we're here to do something about it now.
Listen, hold on. Let's just cool down, and let's talk about this.
We're through talking about it, mister. We're here to do something.
Listen, for the last time, I'm telling you to move away from this area now.
You get your hand out of my face.
All right, that's it. You're under arrest. Turn around and put your hands
You
on
can't
your
arrest me. This is a free country. Hey, come on, man. I didn't do anything.
Hey, what the hell are you doing? You can't arrest him. He hasn't done anything. Leave him alone.
Back off now!
Hey, get your hands off me. I've got every right to be here.
No, sir, you don't, and if you don't leave right now, I'm gonna arrest you, too.
I don't give you that. I'm a taxpayer. I pay your salary, pal. You're supposed to be protecting me. You don't even do this harassing me. I'm not going anywhere, and you can go to hell.
All right, that's it. You're under arrest. Turn around and put your hands over your head.
I'm not going anywhere, man. You want a piece of me? All right,
Drop the knife.
all you want.
Drop the
Come on,
knife.
you son of a bitch. Come on.
Drop the knife.
What are you gonna do? Shoot me?
Yes, sir, I will if I have to. That's up to you. Drop the knife
And all
now.
I'm gonna do is keep my job.
Drop
I've
the
been working
knife.
hard all my life. This isn't fair.
Drop the knife now. Toss the knife over there. Now. All right, put your hands over your head. Turn around. Don't move. Hey, my brother. Get him inside. Get him inside.
Hey, guys!
Get him inside now.
Leave my brother alone. He didn't do anything.